Good morning, friends. I am Surya Agrawal. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I'll be telling you how to prepare cow dung compost out of cow dung cake. Many of the viewers and subscribers ask me that they do not get any cow dung compost in anywhere, so they have some cow dung cake, and I'll tell you today how to use it and how to prepare it cow dung compost out of cow dung cake. These are the cow dung cakes, sometimes usually available in the villages, and in towns also you can get it, and around 1 rupee per piece one cake, and depends on the size and quality of the cow dung. It may be around 6 months old, and take water around 4 to 5 liters of water for a piece of 8 to 10 cow dung. And now I am soaking it in water properly. Soak it in water, dip it in water, and let it soak for around 24 hours to 48 hours. It should be soaked in properly in water, and for proper soaking you may use any heavy material to cover it, and this is the weight I have put here, so that they should not float on water. Now I'll cover it another something, and I'll keep it around 24 to 48 hours, and after 24 or 48 hours I will take it out and crush it in properly and how to use it. Welcome back, friends. After 24 hours I'll show you. This is the now the situation conditions here. Now I'm removing this weight here, and this is the area. And now I'll collect this water, this brown color. This is a very nice liquid fertilizer. I'll put it in around 2 times water from here, and now I am using it. This is a very fine liquid fertilizer. Dilute it 2 to 3 times with water, and can apply on any kind of plant, foliage plant, flowering plant, fruiting plant. This is very nice. So this is a byproduct, and this is a nice fertilizer to apply around 100 to 200 ml in each pot, and you once in a month. That is enough for your any pots or containers. This is nice fertilizer. Now the second part, this is the main part. These are the cow dung, and these are totally soaked, and now I crush it with your hand properly, and crush it into fine powder, as fine as possible. And the finer the particles will be, that would be decomposed properly. Now I have crushed all, and making it finer particles as possible, and I'll show you how to prepare it, how to mix it. Now take around the old soil of any garden area that have some microbes. There should be some microbes in the soil, and this is the brownish color, or that would be nice. And this is the cow dung compost. Take around 100 to 200 gram of cow dung compost, and some soil of 100 to 200 gram of soil, and this is the two items I will mix, and they have contains lots of microbes. They will help in decomposing these cow dungs here, soaked cow dungs. Now mixing the soil here, and if you don't have cow dung compost, you can do with soil also. So in soil they have contain lots of microbes. They will help in decomposing this cow dung to your finer particles, and then to compost it easily. And you can prepare it only in 20 days. That will be fine to ready to use in 20 days only. And now I have mixed the soil. Now I am mixing the cow dung. If you don't have cow dung compost, you can apply vermicompost also. And if you don't have vermicompost or cow dung compost, then you use only soil. That will also do. So this is now I am mixing it properly. And it is, if it is very dry, then you can apply some, sprinkle some water also. But now I am using some, this is the fertilizer. I have liquid fertilizer, or any water you can apply here, and a little bit. Don't make it soggy, just to moisture. There should be moisture in this, so that the decomposition process goes on properly. And this is the ready. Now I am covering it with anything. You cover it, and cover it for around 2 to 3, every 2 to 3 days you have to repeat the process. Crush the your compost in the finer particles, and that will be nice. So this is here. After 2 days I am today I am going to crush them properly, and every day you have to turn it properly and crush it properly, and in 2 to 3 days. So in 20 days you can do it in 7 to 8 times, and that would be nice. And the more you crush, more would be the better quality of fertilizer or compost. This is already some crust properly. And now this is I will do the repeat the process for 5 to 7 times, and I will show you the results and how to use it properly. So this is my ready. Now I am covering it again and keep it as such, and every 2 to 3 days I will repeat the process up to 20 days. Welcome back, friends. After 20 days, now my fertilizer is ready. Cow dung compost from cow dung cake, and this is the consistency now. This is the situation. This is the look nice. And now you can apply it any pot, any container. This is the finest fertilizer, I tell you. There are lots of non-decomposed materials, so you can use it as a fertilizer for macro elements or micro elements. Lots of macro and micro elements they contain, and at the same time they contain lots of fiber, so they will be using very slow release fertilizer. And if it is very hot summer, you can use it as a mulch on the pots or containers. Now apply around 100 gram around to each pot, and if you apply more amount, that won't be much harm here. So apply on these pots here, and once you apply it once in a month, that would be enough for any of your pots or containers. And here I am giving it the fertilizer in this, and you don't have to loosen the soil. You just apply it on the top part of this container, and that will be fine. So this is I am using, and in hot summer month you can use it in rainy season. You can use it in on the all the summer season, or every season you can use it in even the cold season you can use it. So this is the all preparation of cow dung compost, and easiest thing, best thing you can prepare, and very cheap too. So easiest thing. So this is all for preparation of this cow dung compost, and hope you like the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. After application, please apply water also. So please subscribe my channel. I am going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.